How well are your kids doing in the classroom? New data reveals that for middle school students, math has become more of a challenge. Alexandra Cohen-Yard spoke with a local tutoring center today that's seen this problem firsthand. And Alexandra, what's the new testing data showing us?
Derek, I want you to take a look at this data over here. It shows you the average scores in math for students in Washington. And as you can see, ever since the pandemic, there's been a steady decline in those test scores. This graph shows you that data for Idaho. The same issue is happening there. Experts say the pandemic is a factor, but they also highlight two other important contributors: students' confidence and the role of parents. Do you consider yourself a math person? If not, that mindset could be rubbing off on your kids.
A lot of parents tell us that they feel guilty, that they've passed down to their own child an anxiety about math or a certain vibe about math.
Since 2019, we've seen a drop in math scores, and some age groups, such as middle schoolers, are feeling the impact more than others.
They were in elementary school at the time when they missed, second, third, fourth grade, and those are really important foundational periods.
This gap is continuing to grow. Jerry Post, owner of Mathnasium, a local math tutoring center, has seen this in his classes.
They started to lose confidence that, maybe I'm just not a math person. And boy, once that happens, it's kind of a dramatic fall for a lot of kids.
While some younger students, like fourth graders, are starting to make gains, eighth graders are losing ground. Post points out one reason for this can be parents feeling less comfortable helping their kids as the material gets more complicated. So what can be done?
Get involved immediately. Don't wait for parent-teacher conferences to have a conversation with your teacher, or don't assume it's going to get better next year.
Post recommends that parents try to ensure students continue to practice their math skills throughout the summer. State Superintendent of Public Instruction Chris Rakedahl says the state plans to increase investment in learning assistance and dedicate more time to math in schools. In studio tonight, Alexandra Cohen-Yard, 4 News Now.